In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a video on Vimeo. First, open your web browser and go to Vimeo, then sign into your account. Make sure the video you want to protect is already uploaded and fully processed. If it's still processing, wait until it's ready so all privacy options appear correctly. Next, look to the left side of the Vimeo dashboard and click on Library. This is where all of your uploads live. Find the video you want to secure and open it so you're on that video's page with the player and all of its options visible. At the top right of the video page, click the Share button. This opens a panel with different ways to share your video, but it also includes key privacy settings. In the privacy section, you'll see the current visibility, which is often set to public by default. Click that dropdown and change it from public to password. When you choose password, Vimeo will prompt you to enter a password for viewers to use. Pick something memorable but not obvious, and avoid using personal information. If you ever need to change this password later, you can come back to the same place and update it at any time. Keep in mind that password protection is a feature available on Vimeo's paid plans. If you don't see the password option, check your plan and upgrade if needed to unlock this privacy control. After you've entered your password, make sure to save your changes. The Share panel will also show you the direct link to your video. You can copy that link and send it to your audience along with the password. It's best to share the password securely, separate from the link if possible, and only with people who should have access. A helpful tip is to double-check the setup from a viewer's perspective. Open a private or incognito window, paste the video link, and confirm that Vimeo asks for the password and unlocks the video only when you enter it correctly. This quick check ensures everything is working exactly as intended. That's all there is to it. By using the library, opening your video, clicking share, and switching the privacy setting from public to password, you've added a simple but effective layer of protection to your content. Save your changes, share the link and password with the right people, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your videos secure and share them with confidence.